Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can ask or request for a refund in Ticketmaster. So for that you'll have to first know that if you are eligible for a refund or not. So the event organizers determine river guidelines. So if event is cancelled or it gets changed, it will be automatically refunded, so you don't have to refund yourself. And if your ticket is refund protected, you can ask for a refund. So to refund it, what you'll have to do is you'll have to sign into your account. Then you'll find your order under my ticket section, and if your order is refundable, you will see a request refund button appearing beside your order, as you can see in the screenshot. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to submit your refund request, and Ticketmaster will send you a confirmation email, and they will process your refund, and it may take 5 to 7 business days if the process is successful to get the refund. So this is how you can refund your order in Ticketmaster. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.